bring a Glock to the fucking function to your guys' house. I'm gonna be like, nah,
A Glock to the function?
damn, what fucking difficulty?
Yo, why are we voting the hardest difficulty?
Because I'm a man? What the fuck? No, we'll go brainstorm. Okay, who's voting the
No,
easiest? I didn't know how to fucking pretty boy.
Shut up, dude. I was just clicking around.
Hold on, how do Oh shit, dude, my fucking shit has aimbot, bro. I don't even have to aim, bro. It just shoots automatically. Let's go.
Wait, does it really?
Yeah, it fucking aims itself.
Oh shit, behind us.
Oh shit, this guy's kind of fucking cool.
Oh shit!
Oh wait, so we gotta find this teleporter. Everyone find the fucking teleporter.
Oh my god, I have double jump now.
Yeah, I didn't know fucking Taylor's a cheater.
Oh, I bought it.
Sure. Oh! Ow. Oh. Dude, it's crazy I can tell the difference between your guys' voice. Like, whenever Taylor talks, I like smell a little bit of shit, so like... Shit. Oh shit, I didn't get to buy the shit yet.
Dummy. Oh shit. Here, you take care of the big boy. I'll...
Yeah, I'm fucking... Why would I take care of the big boy? I have fucking aimbot. I can shoot at everything. Dude, M1 is your fucking left click. M2 is your right click.
No, like I'm saying, like you take care of the little bosses. I'll take care of the big ones, like the little ones that are trying to like kill us.
Wait, wait, what? How are you guys both talking about different things? What the heck?
Oh my god, I have a little thing on my shoulder that shoots additional things. Like,
Yeah,
my buddy Cody.
Yeah, we good.
There we go.
Alright, nice. Alright, let's get out of here. Created here, game developer. Yeah, fuck.
I mean, seeing how this game is played, I mean, I think it'd be pretty broken.
You know what, Taylor? You know what would be pretty broken? Want me to say it?
Did this motherfucker just ask me to say what he was thinking? This motherfucker. You want me to say it? Look at it.
Sorry about that, guys. I wasn't recording my voice in this video, but I hope you enjoy. Sorry. Peace.
Get the mystery.
Is it the one that gets you to stop talking?
Gain it, bro. Alright. You have to get up high. Oh shit. Yeah, I fucking died. Damn.
You died?
Yeah, shit. What the hell? I didn't know I'm the noob of the friends.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you are.
Yeah, don't go up the barriers. That shit takes all your health away.
Red, man, this is good. Hey, yo, this is fucking sick. What?
Oh shit, he's fucking house gone. Oh shit. Oh, that's the thing I shot, bro. I shot that little barrel, thought I was gonna get some shit, and it blew me up.
Hey! Oh my god, his music was electric. Yeah. What's up, man? He got his buddy with him now. What up? What up with it? Dummy?
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Bro, this thing is getting fucking destroyed, bro. What the hell?
Me?
Man.
No, you're good. You're back.
Oh, okay.
You just don't
okay.
have the shit that we have.
It's alright. I'm gonna lock in
There's an
now.
upgrade over here. There's a box over there. Yeah. Oh my god, you're so fast. Okay, there's like fucking, okay, these entities are crazy as fuck. What?
Oh shit, I found the teleport. I already fucking activated it.
Dude, what the hell?
Dude, I thought it was a fucking ritual. Shit. Yeah, I got this shit. These guys, oh shit.
Nah, I'm saving my boy. I ain't gonna do my boy like that. Yeah, what up? Over here, big bitch. Yeah, yeah. What up? What is? Dummy. Dude, I'm crabbing on this guy. Oh, he missed again. Yeah, you're dead as hell. You're dead as all hell. That was easy. Get over there. Oh my god, I'm frozen. Frozen in time. Oh, shit, big boy.
And his music was electric.
Your shit on. Damn, boy.
Me, I need to get something.
Dude, my movement speed go crazy. What?
It was fucking Ethan. I swear to God, it was not me.
Are you deaf? Oh my god!
It was fucking. It wasn't me, bro. No. I thought I heard you click it. I was like, damn, bro, fucking. I was like, damn.
Dude, now this is just big bosses, dog. Buddy.
Yeah, I'm good.
These guys have like all the health in the world for no fucking reason. I fell down this fat ass hole and I found this 3D printer. And it prints shit.
Yeah, I'm facing some fucking dragon right now. What the fuck? And teleporters over here. Yeah, I don't know where else. Actually, maybe not. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see anything. Where else could it be? Shows like a map. Is that down? Is that it down there? Yeah, for real. Yeah, if you like fall all the way down, but you double jump at the end, does that like deduct damage? I almost just fucking teleported off. What's this? Should I offer my shrine? Yeah, let's do it. Fuck it. I don't need y'all.
Damn, we don't even need a teleporter that's just spawned. Oh, that's the eye! Wait, is it? No,
Wait,
I think
what?
it's coming towards me.
Oh my fucking god, what the hell is that shit? Hey, what the hell is that?
I didn't even press the teleporter though.
Yeah, I think this might be a separate boss.
Alright.
I got the fucking top side of him, so.
Yeah, I got the bottom half of his ass. Pause. Oh my god. This Yeah, you got eyeballs to fight for him. That
Alright.
crazy shit. Oh, his eye, his middle thing. Oh,
Oh wait, does he have a weak spot? Oh, I see.
yeah, his weak spot is his eye.
Oh wait, I think that's where he shoots from his eye. Oh fuck, I took so much damage.
Yeah, it's a big weak spot. It's like it does double damage. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nope, nope,
Fuck
no,
is that?
roll out of
What
there.
the fuck is that?
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Make sure that's not playing. Make sure it's not around you. 'Cause that'll shit on you. Oh my god, he just gained health.
Yeah, he's like getting his health back. Are you like? Oh, then
No.
he loses his back again, but like.
Give me ulti. Conscious him. Okay, he's. Oh, nope. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. Oh!
Oh fucking yeah, Taylor took. Holy shit. This guy's going fucking crazy on us, bro.
That thing just one-shot us. Or me, sorry. Get out of those.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how did you live that? Ethan, that's crazy. Yeah, stay out of those.
Dude, this guy has so much fucking health, dude.
He do. Stay out of his orbs, stay out of his things, yeah. Stay out of those. Oh, no, you're good. Remember to use double jump. Maybe use double jump. You take fall damage, dog. There you go. There you go. So he only has shield when he uses those
Yeah,
things.
it's just a shield. It's just a shield. Dude, he's fucking chasing me on. Fuck, I fell. Fall damage gonna destroy me.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
roll out of there, roll out of there. Watch out, Ethan, watch out!
Oh my god, this guy's putting his whole fucking
Heal,
shit in
heal,
me.
heal. Do you have heal?
Oh, I don't know how to heal. Hold on, I gotta stay
If you stand still, it heals. Like completely so.
No, I don't got that fucking upgrade.
Damn. Ethan better
Oh,
heal,
shit.
dog.
Okay, I get healed up really fast, so I got him. Fuck, holy shit, dude. I almost got him.
Stay out of those. Yep, okay, that was close. But yeah, you almost have him.
I'm just trying to move as fast as possible so it keeps missing.
Oh my god, you're about to die.
Oh, he got me. Damn it. Come on, Ethan. He's at full health. I ain't not full health again.
There's
Yeah, I
not a
think I
lot of
got-
enemies, so you could probably take him out. Like right now. Now would be the time. 9,000. He's getting lower. Keep going. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. He's not even targeting me. That's weird.
Dude. If,
Keep
wait,
shooting at him.
is Ethan also gonna have to do the teleporter boss by himself too?
That would be tough. Kill him, bro. Just kill him. Just kill him. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
No, shit.
Yes, good shit.
Good job, good dodge. So close.
Dude, yeah, when he gets his shield, he gets so
Watch out back. Damn. Fuck it, I think he shot you with his rocket.
Wait. Oh my god. Lindo.
Ah, what a great introduction though.